Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer the Steam Authentication Guard code from your previous smartphone to your new Google Pixel 7 series of smartphones. And to do this, first download the Steam to both of the devices. So on this one, obviously I have it installed, and here we need to log in. So use the credentials for your account on your Google Pixel. Now we'll need to allow this login on our previous device. So this should pop up any second, and yep, let's approve it. Now it should log in normally to our account. And here we want to add Authenticator and click on Move Authenticator. Now it should send the message to the phone number that is connected with the Steam account. We can see it right here. Verify the code. And now your account is transferred to the new device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.